Gurudev Pranam.
Pranam.
Gurudev, in our last episode, we were talking about Bhuma and Alpa. You have said that everything vast is Bhuma. We find that the ocean, it is unfathomable. The sky is limitless, infinite. The height of the mountain challenges the sky. It is so tall. Are they also Bhuma? Because it is, sometimes I feel it is difficult to conceive the idea of Bhuma, grasp the idea of Bhuma.
They cannot be called Bhuma because they are inert element. They are inert element. They are not living. Bhuma is living. Bhuma is a consciousness. Is the source of all consciousness. Every consciousness has come from Bhuma. So, in your imagination, you can meditate on the sky, you can meditate on mountain, you can meditate on a natural phenomena because there is no sensual object in it, Sensual object is the obstruction. So there is no sensuality. Naturally you can meditate. But it is not really Bhuma. Real Bhuma is pure consciousness.
Again in the mantra it is said that Yuvai Bhuma Tat Sukham. So Sukha, pleasures, joy are also of different levels. What it is pleasurable now cannot be pleasurable next moment. So Sukha has different levels.
Sukha, Dukha, Ananda. These three faculties are created by nature. Created by nature is natural thing. Sukha, Dukha, Ananda. What is Sukha? Jaubai Bhuma, Tadbai Sukha. Now here Sukha means the Sukha of the Bhuma is infinite. Anukula Vedaniyam Sukham. That what is anukul to us, favorable to us, that is Sukha. Any favorable thing is Sukha. Pratikula Vedaniyam Dukham. Unfavorable thing is Dukha, which is not liked by you. So, Sukha, Dukha. But here, it is called Ananda. Ananda is infinite. Sukham Anantam Anandam. Endless. Ananda is such a thing which has no end, which is ever flowing. So that is Bhuma. That is the joy of the Bhuma. Not Bhuma. That is the joy of the Bhuma.
So the joy from material, the enjoyment from the mundane affairs, it is Alpa.
Alpa. So it's called Jaubai Bhuma Tat Sukham Nalpe Sukham Asti. Bhumaiva Sukham Bhumateva Vijikashita Paiti. So if an individual in the world has to inquire anything, has to know anything, he has to know Bhuma. It's emphatically said. Emphatically said that Yovai Bhuma Tat Sukham Nalpe Sukham Asti. Bhumaiva Sukham. Again repeated. Bhumaiva Sukham Bhumateva Vijikashita Paiti. Since Bhuma is the real happiness, indestructible happiness, eternal friend of yours. So it has to be inquired. It has to be inquired. So this is search of God, the quest for God.
Again in next slok, it is said that Yatra Nanyat Pasyati, Nanyat Srinoti, Nanyat Bijanati, Sa Bhuma, by which we can see, not due to which we can see. And Nanyat Srinoti.
Okay.
and nanyat bijanati.
So Bhuma.
Sa Bhuma.
Okay, it's an experience.
Experience.
Is an experience of the person of the Bhuma. The person who has known Bhuma, attained Bhuma, for his experience. This experience is very important. So in the Bhuma, when somebody goes into Bhuma, into those, like going deep into ocean, doesn't see anything. If you have gone into the ocean, you don't see outer world, different colors and form and all these things. You don't see. Exactly in the same way, when somebody goes into Bhuma, in the joy of the Bhuma, he is so much absorbed in the joy that he does not see anything, he doesn't hear anything, he doesn't speak anything. So he is absorbed, he is identified with Bhuma. So this is the example of identity. You get identified, Your real identification is Bhuma. So when you are one with Bhuma, then you do not speak, you do not see.
And no sooner he becomes active, he becomes alpa. Activities means alpa.
It is because there is duality. In non-duality, there is no activity.
Yes.
Because every senses are suspended, They're all suspended because of the joy. The Jobui Bhuma Tat Sukam. The joy is so overwhelming that it suspends your small senses, Eyes, ears, all these are all gone. It's all lost.
So if we have to compare it, suppose there is a room and inside the room there is a light. So light we can compare with Bhuma, and the activities we carry out inside the room is alpa.
Activities, if you say, then we are Onu.
Yes.
Huh?
Limited.
Yes. Alpo. And when the witness is concerned, vast witness of the sun, then that is Bhuma.
Yes. Thank you, Gurudev.